Good morning. I've just got a video today of this accordion that I've been restoring. It's a not Scarlatti, Stefanelli accordion that I've been restoring. So I've done all the reeds. They've all come out, been cleaned and waxed and tuned, and I've checked the mechanisms, and the keys are nice, bellows are good, compression's excellent, and I have made some new shoulder straps. So I've just made some nice leather straps with a felt inside, and so I'm pleased with those. So I'm just going to give it a little spin out. And so what I thought I'd do today is see how many different countries I can play tunes from, because the accordion is wonderful for playing folk tunes from around the world, because any kind of folk tune from different countries seems to work on an accordion, which is just one of the reasons why I like it. So I'm going to crack on through, and forgive me for making any mistakes, because there'll be a few, but I'll just see how many I can come up with. So let's start with an Irish one. Okay, now I'm going to go all the way to America. This is called Push the Pig's Foot Further in the Fire, I think, which is a kind of interesting title. Hang on, let's try again. Okay, I've got an Italian one I can do, I think. Okay, next one is from Israel. Okay, let's do a French one. Right, I think I can do an Argentinian one. Going to keep going. I think this is a Russian one. I got to keep going. Scotland. Now I'm going to have to keep thinking of where I've got... Oh, yeah. Sweden. I think it's Sweden, isn't it? Now there should be a German one I can do. Not sure if that was German. I just made that up. I'm trying to think of any more Oh, trees. Wait a minute. I haven't done any English ones because there's not many English I can. Oh, English one. I have to leave English for a sec. I'm just going to finish off with a nice American one called Ashokan Farewell. No. I can't remember it. Oh, it. And I can't remember that one, so I'll just do one more. I will do one from Jan Tiersen. He's French. I'll see if I can do this one. And I'll come back to Ashokan Farewell. Ashokan Farewell, sorry. I don't have my mind. I got it. Right, last one. Here we go, Ashokan Farewell to finish off with. There we go, a little journey around the world on this lovely Stefanelli 72 bass accordion that I've just finished restoring. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. See you soon.